What is goody, my giggity gang? Welcome back to another video, I suppose. We're gonna play Animal Hospital again. So, just watch us die like so quickly.
Something wrong, you're not really like acting in a way.
Brother. Anyway, let's just get right into this. Brother!
What?
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and
Oh yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Someone kill him, please.
Someone kill him, please.
You know what? No, I'm not dealing with this. Come on, come here now. Thank
Come to
you.
me.
Let me in. I don't like you, window. Now my big back self has 2 Twix bars, Kinder bar, and some Kit Kats that I'm eating right now.
Hello, my name is Kenshin Yoshida. I never mind bring that.
What kind of name is that?
I'm a bum.
Oh yeah, boy. Also, school has just ended, so we get 6 weeks all for ourselves.
Yes, which means we're gonna be able to start posting much more videos.
Lol.
Which I think you guys are wanting, aren't you?
I haven't posted for like 3 days. No, 2. I can't remember.
No, we posted yesterday.
Well, yeah.
Oh, that was done 2 hours ago.
Get the patient checked in.
He's not in the room yet, Matt.
Bruh. My big back self really needed 4 chocolate bars.
Good, you know big pack means fat, right?
I know.
Why calling yourself fat, man?
Because I am. Bro, I eat chocolate like every single day.
I don't even like chocolate.
Yeah, because you don't like anything.
I do. I like your nan.
We have the same nan, we're siblings.
Yeah, just under that.
Bruh.
Hiya, I'm Dr. Harlow.
You literally hired us.
Some voice. If things get strange, just keep working.
I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. We are so Sigma. Right, guys?
Not really. We just basically goof around in our videos.
Yeah. We don't really know how long this recording will be, but bleh.
Grab the coffee.
Ugh. Bruh.
What?
Are you both blind?
Sorry. We're back, guys. Don't worry.
Why are you checking in with patient?
Bro, I'm sorry. I'm trying to eat my Twix bar.
Stop eating Twix.
I'm not eating Twix.
Yeah, but you're eating a Twixel bar.
Twix bar, idiot.
Twixel.
ASMR.
Yada.
Wow. Just stuffed my face with.
I just stuffed my face.
Why am I not checking cameras? Am I an idiot?
If there's a normally, just call me. Why did we shut the door, Matt?
Think he's fine?
It isn't, don't I? Oh shoot, oh my god.
Room 4.
Room 6. No, I hate that.
Bruh. Cookie hand. Well, cookie hand. I like cookies, so I eat cookies, so you're dead. Bro, stop sniffing, bro. Bro, get out of the way. I need to. Alright.
Don't shut the door.
You don't deserve to come in here.
I'm on my head right now.
Oh my god. Bro, I didn't even know you were in here. Bro, why'd you close the shutters? Brother.
Do we have to only tree them? Yeah, we just need a tree, bro. Idiots.
There's 2 patients need treating.
Duh! Oh, one's probably just healing.
You need to do room 4.
Wait, there's a room 4? Yeah, you can do that.
Bro, I'm the secretary. That's not my job.
I'm doing order. And secret agent isn't supposed to heal, he's supposed to shoot.
Bro, you didn't even take his DNA.
I know. Because I'm too lazy.
Bro, you lazy little cat.
Huh?
Brother, you are not. I know what those are. Why am I getting stuck in the doorway?
You're not coming in.
Brother, what are you doing? Oh, it's silly Mr. Dr. Harlow. You know what? I'm a vibrate. I'm a vibrate. Vibrates cutely.
Oh, just visitors checking faster. I was gonna buy that cola.
Well, I want it.
No.
Hey.
Did you grab coffee recently?
Yes. I knew this was gonna happen soon. Yo, just let me give yourself your big back coffee.
Did you drink 2 sips?
Yes. Do you
No.
think I'm dumb?
You can also drink a 3rd one.
No, because then the coffee will go away, bro.
Well, you're done since it only goes after the animation stops, and you finished giving Barney the coffee before the animation stops.
Nah.
Damn it. Yeah, this guy's safe to go.
How much sanity are you at?
66.
Wait, you're at the same sanity as me.
That means you're your next coffee.
What? No.
Yeah, but I've got better class.
Bro.
I'm more important.
I'm the one who checks in the patients.
But I'm the one doing all the work around.
I'm at 66%.
I'm at 65.
It's only because I checked in a patient.
Yeah, but now you're...
Bro, don't do the patients.
Secretary is not supposed to have coffee.
Raphael. Save 1 sip.
I'm already bored. I wish we did another Forsaken video, Matt.
What?
I wish we did another.
Bro, we've been doing Forsaken way too much, my guy.
Dude. We posted 2 Forsaken videos, but we have more Rivals videos. And you don't say we have enough Rivals videos, do you?
I've never said that. Oh, yes. Room 2. If you need help doing room 8, just call my big back self over, because I can do it by myself since I'm so cool.
No, just because you're vlog.
I don't care whether you're here for your appointment or not. See, get out of the way so I can see him.
But I'm the patient.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am, see? Anyways, I'll go treat dumb Matthew Poopidle.
Bro, he ain't dumb.
There he is. He's small, tiny. He's homeless. He breaks into the hospital with men. He is dumb. Oh, this game is so slow. I dropped thermometer maple syrup. Can't you buy maple syrup at the store, Matt?
I don't think you can. It's Ron from accounting.
Oh my god. Oh, I get another anomaly. I want to shoot someone.
Ron from accounting.
Did I see someone go into one of these rooms?
I am never going
Did
to.
someone go into room 6? Is anyone in room 6 looking right? Ah, yes, someone's in room 7. That's annoying.
When you look at the numbers,
Huh?
when you look at the numbers on the thing, like the numbers, there should be a red. There should be a red thing. That means there's somewhere inside. Thanks, I'll be in room 6. Ooh, cafe. What percentage are you at?
Gun percentage.
How did you know they were an anomaly?
Idiot, did you not see their face, man?
No.
Did you just drink all the coffee? What's going on like that?
Bro.
Okay, man.
Yeah, of course, Barney.
Yeah, of course I'm fat. Picture taking your pictures. Such little. Oh my god, why has Ron and Rafu got 3 things needed? Wow. Yo, did you know maple syrup's the only thing to like sequences?
Hmm?
Maple syrup's the only thing that can be given for 2 sequences. Safe, let's go safe, he's safe, he's safe, he's safe.
I'm going to sniff your toes if you keep getting in the way. Ah, of course it's a visitor. You know what? Shoot them right as I check them in. Put him in the bin. I said put them in the bin. No one will know. No one will know.
I want to trust my gut here. I shouldn't have trusted my gut.
Finn Han fainted. Finn! Finn from Days.
Oh my, he's back.
Matey, but this is good. This is good because, like, then we'll get the coffee machine quite early.
We still gotta wait for the police officers to arrive. We that.
Bruv, we're only on shift 3 and we've already got Barney's suitcase.
Mate, don't know you normally like it. I'm gonna take the coffee. What's that to that?
54.
Well, even if you're alive, any secretary's not supposed to have.
I'm 70%.
Oh,
Percent where you are.
67.
Of course, little buddy.
No, I didn't.
You just try and shoot Barney. Bro, you're wasting your ammo. Brother, did I even get my Robux last month?
This month, you mean?
No, last.
I
I don't even think I've had Robux this whole entire year. Actually, no, I have. I haven't for 3 months though. I don't think.
No, it's only last month we just not feeling good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay then. So we might as well just end it here then. Well, thank you my goody giggity gang for watching. We'll see you in the next one.